Hello students, today I take this opportunity to discuss JEE Mains 2020 examples from statistics. So let us begin with the example number 37. The question is, let F is such that R is mapped with R be a such that for all x's belongs to R, 2 raised to 1 plus x plus 2 raised to 1 minus x, f of x it is, then 3 raised to x plus 3 raised to minus x are in a AP, then minimum value of a f of x we need to calculate here. So it is in a arithmetic progression. So I take a arithmetic mean as a 2b equal to, it is a plus c. Further, 2b equal to, we have a and c. A is, it is a 2 raised to 1 plus x, so I write 2 into, it is a 2 raised to x, and 2 raised to 1 minus x I can write it as a 2 into 1 by 2 raised to x. So further, c it is, yes, we will take it that, so the function it is f of x equal to, it is a 2 raised to 1 plus x plus 2 raised to 1 minus x plus c 3 raised to x plus 3 raised to minus x. So further we will observe that the arithmetic mean always it is greater than or equal to, it is a geometric mean. Therefore we can take this as 2 raised to x plus 1 upon 2 raised to n is greater than equal to 2 it is. So we will observe that 3x plus 3 raised to minus x, this is also greater than equal to 2 here. So we will observe that 2 of f of x, 2 into f of x is 2 into, it is 2 raised to x, it is a 2, plus 3 raised to x plus 3 raised to minus x, it is a 2. So simplifying this, we get 2 f of x, we are going to get it as a 6. So simplifying, we get f of x as a 3 here. Therefore clearly option D is a right answer here. We'll move to our next example. The question is, if the 10th term of a AP is 1 by 20, 20th term is 1 upon 10, then the sum of a first 200 terms we need to calculate here. So here it is first term, so 10th term it is, 10th term can be written as A1 plus 9D equal to 1 by 20 here. 20th term A1 plus 19D equal to 1 upon 10. So now we will do a subtraction, subtracting here, so we can find the value of a D and we will eliminate a here. So we get a minus a 10 D equal to, simplification we get it as minus 1 upon 20 here. So further minus 10 transporting to RHS, we get this as D as 1 divided by 200. Here both side minus minus sign get cancels here. After that we have to find the sum of our first 200 terms. So 200 term, so we can write this as A1 plus 9 times, we will calculate now D. So D we have calculated, now we will calculate what is a. Okay, so I take a first equation, in this I substitute a D value as a 1 upon 200 equal to, we get it as a 1 by 20 here. We will simplify this. A1 I am going to get it as here 1 divided by 200 it is. So we will observe that, so A1 value as well as a D value, it is a 1 by 200. Now So 200th term will calculate here. So it is A1 plus 199 D. It is A1 is 1 by 200 plus 199 D is 1 by 200 it is. So simplifying, we are going to get answer as a 1 here. Now we will find sum of 1 to 100 term here. So we will use a formula as Sn equal to, it is n divided by 2, it is a plus L. So I write this as S200 equal to n by 2 a plus L. A is a first term A1 and An is a last term, it is a 200. We'll substitute it here. So n is a 200 terms are there, 200 divided by 2. A1, it is 1 by 200 plus last term is 1 here. So we will simplify. Simplification, we are going to get it as a 201 divided by 2. So this is in a improper fraction. So we have to write it in a mixed fraction. So mixed fraction, we get it as a 100 and 1 by 2 here. 100 and half it is. So clearly we will observe that option D is a right answer here. So this is a first page solution and this will be our second page solution here. Okay, we'll move to our next example. The given informations are the mean and variance of 20 observations are found to be 10 and 4 respectively. On rechecking, it was found that an observation 9 was incorrect and the correct observation was 11. Then the correct variance we have to calculate here. So here mean x bar formula is summation of xi divided by n. Number of observation are 20 and it is given as a 10 here. Then we have a variance, it is a summation of a xi square divided by n, 20 observations minus mean square 10 square equal to, so variance is a 4, so I take it as a 4 here. So correct mean we will calculate. So the correct mean is correct mean equal to, it is a 200 it is minus, so wrong incorrect one we have to subtract it, so correct one we have to add it, and totally we have, it is a 20 observations. See x bar, it is a 10, it is a divided by 20 equal to 10, it is transporting 10 into 20, 200. So 200 we have written here. So we have to simplify this expression. We'll get a solution as 202 divided by 20 it is. So further I use the variance formula. So variance V equal to summation of xi square divided by number of observations are 20 minus mean, we have mean, so square we have to take it here. So summation of xi, so its a square is 2080 minus 81 plus 121 it is, whole divided by 20 minus mean, it is 202 divided by 20, it is a whole square here. So we have to solve this expression. Solving, we get the answer as 3.99 here, 3.99. So answer is 3.99. So clearly option D is a right answer here. This is the first page solution. So this is our second page solution here. Okay, we'll move to our next example. The question is the product 2 raised to 1 by 4, 4 raised to 1 by 16, 8 raised to 1 by 48, so on up to infinite number of it is a factors will be there. then it is equal to the what value we have to calculate. So given expression is 2 raised to 1 by 4 into 2 raised to 2 by 1 by 16 can be written as 2 by 8. Next 2 raised to 3 by 16. So next 2 raised to, it is a 4 by 32 plus so on up to infinite factors will be there. So then we can take this as 2 raised to, so we will take as a common 2, so we get 1 by 4, 2 by 8 plus so on in this way here. So further simplifying the above the power, we are going to get answer as a 1 here. So 2 raised to 1, we are going to get a solution as a 2 here. Therefore, so it is a 2. Now we have to find a sum of all these values here. So I take it as a Sn. Sn equal to 1 by 4. It is a 2 by 8. Next 3 by 16 up to infinite will be there. Now both side we will multiply by 1 by 2. So it is a 1 by 2, we will multiply it. It is a 1 by 4 to the 8. So we get next as a 2 divided by 16, 3 divided by 32 plus so on here. So then we will simplify. See, RHS we get it as a 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. Yes, next 1 by 16 plus so on we get it. So I use a Sn formula. Sn is A divided by, it is a 1 minus n it is. So A divided by 1 minus R. So we get a 1 by 2 Sn equal to, it is a 1 by 4 A divided by 1 minus R. 1 minus R is 1 by 2. So common ratio is 1 by 2. It is in a geometric progression here. So we will simplify. Simplification will be numerator 1 by 4 and denominator it will be 1 by 2. So the further we get a 1 by 2 Sn equal to, so simplifying 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2, we will get a solution as a 1 by 2. Now both side 1 by 2 get cancels. So Sn we will get it as a 1 here. Okay, so 1 by 2 get cancels. So we get it as a 1 here. So 1 is the answer. So clearly option D is the right answer. So this is a first page solution and this is will be our second page solution. Okay, we'll move to our next example. The question is, let the observations. So there are 10 observations are there, because 1 less than equal to I less than equal to 10. So totally we have a 10 observations satisfying the equation. So first equation is a summation. I takes the value from 1 to 10 xi minus 5 as a 10, and the second one summation I equal to 1 to 10 xi minus 5 whole square equal to 40. If mu and lambda are the mean, so mean is mu and lambda is a variance here of the observation, then x1 minus 3, x2 minus 3, so on, x10 minus 3, then the ordered pair mu and lambda we have to calculate here. Okay, so here the given informations are, it is a summation. I takes the value from 1 to 10, it is a xi minus 5 equal to 10 it is. And one more expression we have, summation I equal to 1 to 10, it is xi minus 5 whole square equal to 40 here. Then further mean we will calculate. So it is a mean of xi minus 5 equal to, it is a summation. I takes the value from 1 to 10 xi minus 5 whole square divided by 10 here. So we know that it is a observation mean, so it is a 10 divided by 10 it is, so we are going to get it as a 1 here. Now we will find a variance. So variance formula is variance V equal to summation of xi square divided by n minus mean square here. Okay, then variance about it is a variance about xi minus phi is everywhere x we have to replace it by xi minus phi. It is in this way. Here also xi minus phi square here. Then we will observe that a square of a data is a 40 here. So 40 divided by total data are n, observations are 1, and mean we have calculated here, it is a 1. So we will take here 1 square. So we will simplify it. So we get this as a 4 minus 1. So we are going to get it as a 3 here. So we will get the variance as a 3 here, variance as a 3. So variance as a 3. Next we will go for a mean here. So variance is a 3, then mean is, it is a xi, mean xi plus or minus a here it is. So mean it is a 1, and our a is, it is a 2. Okay, so absolute value will take it as a 2. 2 plus 1, 3 we get it. So we will observe that. So variance is 3 and our mean it is a 3 here. So both are 3 here, 3 and 3. So we will observe that option A is a right answer here. So this is a first page solution, second page solution, and this is a third page solution here. Okay, dear students, all possible questions from statistics we have covered it. So this completes the statistics. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you once again.